Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another cocktail that today, actually, I was in a mood for the sweet tooth. So please stay with me and let me show you how we're going to be making the painkiller. Something really sweet with a little bit of rum. All right, so let's get into this thing. The painkiller. Well, at one point I was looking at all the rums that I have in the little bar, and I come across to this little guy. This is the Black Magic Black Spice Rum, and I remember that I have a really bad adventure with Kraken, so I'm gonna give a chance to this one to see if I actually meet the standards, which I believe it will. I mean, I have a little sip by itself, and it's really, really tasty. So we're gonna be making this cocktail, starting with your shaker, and we're gonna go for 2 ounces of this Black Magic Spice Rum. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Pineapple juice, we're gonna be using 2 ounces as well. I know it's gonna be kind of hard to press your pineapples and get some fresh pineapple juice, but if you can, that'll be even better. But your orange juice, definitely you can do it, you know, at home. Orange juice, you're gonna use only 1 ounce. And also you're gonna use some cream of coconut, 1 ounce as well. It's gonna be a really nice and sweet cocktail. Let's get some ice. All right, and let's give it a good shake. All right. We're gonna get our nice clear glass, and let's put some crushed ice all the way to the top. Kind of like a compacting it. And let's go for a really nice strain. For your garnish, let's get an Amarena cherry with a nice little main bouquet. All right, time to kill that pain, ladies and gentlemen. The painkiller, and I hope you enjoy it. I forgot the nutmeg.